Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Retno Marwati and my student number is 201805102299 and I am from the part of International Relation and Faculty of Social and Politics Science and University Muhammadiyah of Yogyakarta. And here I will and here I will present the research with the title Student Perception about Indonesian Cultural Diplomacy in Creating Nation Branding Through Batik. And here the outline, the first, introduction, the second, literature review, the third, research method, the four, findings, the five, discussion, and the last, conclusion. This part is introduction. Cultural diplomacy is one of diplomacy that have developed in this era of globalization, where the form communication between countries is not only established through government but more broadly, namely government to society. Indonesia is one country's traditional fabric and cultural heritage from Sabang to Merauke. And people know that batik is one of Indonesian traditional fabric and cultural heritage with a variety motif according to each region. To the award given by UNESCO, the batik is given significant influence on Indonesia industry batik. And did you know that Indonesia government has been registering batik with UNESCO, the UNESCO representative list of intangible cultural heritage UNESCO. If Indonesia does register batik in UNESCO because conserve cultural heritage, the ratification is very important. And the part is the literature review. To composing the research, the author used some books and journals to influence fundamental of cultural diplomacy and national branding. By Lucianti 2012 explained about cultural diplomacy as the trade of talk other aspects of culture among nations and their people in order to cultivate common understanding. Cultural diplomacy effort being government is one different ways. The way simple is nation branding through batik. This representative will visit Indonesia, a sign of companionship. Another study was conducted by Stelliana, 2012, through national branding, a country can influence the relationship with other countries and make it diplomacy. National branding can influence how the people of country treat by other when they go abroad to study, working, and business trip. The third part is research method. This was use a qualitative method to provide knowing the student perception about Indonesian cultural diplomacy in creating national branding through batik. The qualitative method is more flexible because it allows to spontaneity and greater interaction between researcher and respondent. The researcher conducted semi-structured interview format with open-ended because open-ended combined with other interview technique can explore the topic more deep. The participants were International Relations student class of 2018 at Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta, including who like to wear batik clothes and who understand cultural diplomacy. Semi-structured interviews were conducted by telephone via WhatsApp. The answer will be recorded. Their answer, which are the result of the interview, will be into form of transcribing, classifying, interpreting data of this study. After collecting data, the researcher began to analyze all the answers to make conclusion. This is part finding. There is a three subbab. The first subbab is Indonesian cultural diplomacy. The participants said that the cultural diplomacy carried by the Indonesian people was quite good. Students say being the good cultural diplomacy is advanced by the cultural exhibition. Some participant one says, a student of international relations, I saw that Indonesia has good cultural diplomacy, considering that the cultural book by Indonesia is a central culture, so that we can still preserve the cultural of our ancestors, not only domestically but also abroad. And the second subbab, the government in creating nation branding through batik. In addition, as well as in promotion batik, Indonesia is certainly known through the world. Some of participants said the government in creating nation branding through batik as Indonesian cultural diplomacy is effective. Some participant 3 says, I think it's very good and agree that batik is the most branding in Indonesia because Indonesia may be craft that has high esteem value. As a batik lover, I am attracted to batik because its beautiful shape and design. And the third subbab, batik cultural diplomacy impact. This is of course in increasing in economic income due to export batik through the world. Some of them also cite the impact were also felt in promotion batik as well as attraction tourists to see and learn how to make batik. Some participants too says, I think if batik is recognized a part of Indonesian cultural diplomacy, other countries, of course, it will be great our national branding. Moreover, with the continuous doing promotion about batik strongly, we can help to increase the income of the batik craftsmen. This is a part discussion. This was to show that students know that the cultural diplomacy carried by Indonesia is quite good and effective. They expressed that the government conducting national branding through batik would present that Indonesian incorporate is differing qualities of culture, and one of which is batik, which may be is characteristic of Indonesia. The impact of national of batik as Indonesian national branding does provide extraordinary significance. This will be seen from answer of few participants with respect to impact experienced by craftsmen. Moreover, the opening of the batik exhibition even had a positive effect on the batik market in other countries. These findings support a various study that influence of creating nation branding through batik carried by government provide the batik industry in Indonesia increasing, as well as Indonesian cultural diplomacy through batik at worldwide event. They said that was the initial era of development of batik promotion, which was increasingly being carried by the government. Not only that, the high enthusiasm of the community to wear batik is also a factor in this era. Despite a conclusion, the student assume that what the government doing might well be done through various batik. The findings conclude that students see that Christian national branding through batik certainly has pulled in sectors who some to Indonesia to see batik making firsthand. This study also affirmed a positive, significant impact batik cultural diplomacy on economic income. For the reason, the research just gives a little reference on how we see the change experienced by the craftsmen, so that it's not easy to make assumptions without knowing the reason behind this change. It is recommended that Indonesian government effort to financing batik as Indonesian iconic in international world to draw wearing batik in international event intensively conducted. This also recommended to Indonesian society, especially teenagers. These days is technological advance and sophisticated. Utilizing social media is easy enough, so it doesn't harm us Indonesian citizens to share story on social media with wearing Indonesian batik clothes. And thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.